Hello guys. So today we'll talk about LRDI. LRDI is one of the most important section when it comes to CAT, and it has always been that one section which can break or make your percentile. We'll be definitely talking about the positives and negatives both. So yes, some people fear it, some love it. Personally, I was always comfortable with LRDI, not because I was a genius, but because I practiced a lot and a lot. And that's exactly what I'll share with you today. The best strategy to master LRDI for CAT according to me. So the first is practice is the only key. If you want to build comfort in the subject, in the section, there's no substitute for practice. You can just read concepts in VRC, but here you cannot do that. The only way to improve is by solving sets again and again. Second, do not stick to just one type of puzzle. Many students do that because they like arrangement sets. So arrangements alone won't take you anywhere. CAT can throw you anything. Tournaments, seating, distribution, Venn diagrams, bar, graphs, caselets, logical puzzles, and etc. So the idea is the more variety you solve, the more confident you will be in the exam. Now, talking about the most important part, which is the sources. Coaching material is great. Mock sets and sectional tests are really important when it comes to LRDI because unlike other subjects, you don't have to complete any syllabus for solving sets. So the absolute best source is past year CAT papers. If you are not solving them, you are missing out on gold. They show you exactly what CAT asks and how the difficulty varies year to year, and the most reliable source is only PYQs when it comes to LRTI. Here's the routine I recommend starting right away. Solve 2 sets from past year CAT papers daily. Solve 2 practice sets from coaching or online material like sectional or mocks. That's 4 sets every day, but remember, it's not just about solving. Spend equal time or even more on analysis. Ask yourself, why was the set difficult? Could I have solved it faster? Which shortcut or visualization trick did I miss? Or something that you have not touched. For example, I used to hate games and tournaments, but when I started analyzing in different sectionals and mocks, I saw a similar kind of pattern that CAT asked and was there in my mocks too. So I started solving it. I started developing the concept behind it, and in the exam, I solved games and tournaments also. Now the fifth point is during mocks and sectionals. So when you attempt mocks, don't panic if some sets don't click. Do what's possible in that moment and leave the rest for later. And later is when you analyze it. Many times you'll realize a set you left in the exam can be solved easily when you are calm at home. That's fine. Use it as a learning. In the actual exam, you don't need to solve every set. Honestly, even 2 good sets can be enough for a good percentile in a tough slot. Of course, it depends on difficulty, but the message is it's about smart selection, not solving everything. Stay calm, scan all sets, pick the ones that look approachable, and go all in. Make sure you have practiced across main important LRDI areas like arrangements and puzzles, seating distribution, very important games and tournament, Venn diagrams and set theory, caselets, bar graphs, line graphs, tables, pie charts, mixed DI sets, arithmetic heavy DI sets like ratio, percentage, average. Also, I would recommend Rodha Sir's playlist, but it contains a lot of videos which you cannot see now. But if you are specifically stuck in any topic, you can just go to Rodha's channel and watch that specific topic videos. For example, I watched it for Venn diagrams and it was like 5 to 6 videos as far as I remember, or maybe more than that. And it helped me a lot. Then I started solving that sets and it eventually gave me a good mark. So yes. So the secret is simple. Consistent practice with diverse sets, PYQs as your Bible, and smart selection during mocks and the final exam. Trust me, if you stick to your 4 sets daily from now till CAT, you'll see the difference in your speed, accuracy, and definitely your confidence. Remember, LRDI is less about formulas and more about patience, logic, and practice. Keep grinding and you'll ace it.